Welcome guys back to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and today I would like to show you how to crochet this beautiful cable stitch. I'm a big fan of knitting cables, and today I want to show you how to crochet them, as I am going to start a very big project. It is a crochet baby blanket, and this cable will be the central element in the blanket. So you can also use it as a headband, absolutely gorgeous. You will get absolutely gorgeous headband, or as an element in the sweater, cardigan, or even if you want to make a pillowcase. So for this cable I was using a yarn, cotton fair yarn, 52% of cotton and 48% of acrylic, and it has 290 meters and it has 100 grams in the skein. Here is recommended number of knitting needles, and I'm going to use a hook, 3.5 millimeters for this cable. So I guess it's perfect. You can also use 3 millimeters. So if you want to try and learn how to do it, it's a little bit challenging, so I decided to divide this video for 3 parts, because like this I believe it will be easier for you to follow. So if you are ready, let's get started. So in this part we are going to make 2 rows. In total there will be 6 rows. After that you're going only repeat the pattern. So start with a slip knot and chain 24. Chain 24, okay, and now make a chain 3. So I could say it is chain 27, and into the 5th chain from hook 2, 3, 4, 5, make a double crochet. Now make 9 more double crochet across. 2, so in total 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one 10. Like this. 9 and chain 3. 10 double crochet and chain 3, sorry. Into the next stitch, 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this, and repeat for the next loop as well. 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 more, 5, and the last one, like this, and finish this row with 11 double crochet. 11 double crochet. 8, 9, 10, and the last one. That's what you have now. Strange form, yes, I know, but it will be cable after all. And now row number 2, start with chain 2, and turn. And now we are going to start with uh, front and back post double crochet. Now make a front post double crochet. Wrap yarn around the hook and insert the hook around the back, and wrap yarn around again, and now bring it through 2 first loops on your hook and then through 2 last 2 loops on your hook, and then repeat again. 1 more front post double crochet and 2 more. 3 and 4. Like this. Front post double crochet. Now into the next 24 stitches we make a 24 back post double crochet. So how to make a back post double crochet? You insert the hook from back to front and then from front to back, like this. Wrap the yarn, pull it, then wrap the yarn again and bring it through 2 loops and then through next 2 loops, like this. "24 back post double crochet." Now you reached the loop where we've done 6 double crochets, so make now around each double crochet 1 back post double crochet. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last here. The next loop was as well 6 double crochet, so around each make a back post double crochet. And 6 more back post double crochet. Crochet until you have this chain and 4 double crochet left. You don't need even count. Three and 3 more. And now at the end make 4 front post double crochet as we did at the beginning. Three and the last one. And into the third chain, let's count 1, 2, 3. Make a half double crochet like this. And that's what you have now. Part number 1 is over, so let's see in the next part, which will be a little bit more challenging.